Hello, welcome to Dave's Automotives. Today I'll be working on a 2010 Hyundai Elantra. It has a 2.0 cylinder engine in it. Customer brought it to the shop, and the customer is complaining of a misfire. So basically, the engine lacks power and it's misfiring really bad. So I did my test. Uh, I put a scanner on it, and I'm showing cylinders 1 and 3 are misfiring. So cylinders 1 and 3 are misfiring. So far, I've been looking at it, going through it to see what might be going wrong. Um, so this is the engine right here. Basically, you know, you have three main things that would, um, cause a misfire. Could be more, but the three main basic things you have to look at, it's, air, fuel, and spark. So I already checked my fuel. I disconnected the fuel rail over here to see if I'm getting fuel, and I'm getting it. So we're good on that. I also did check on the injectors. Um, Cylinders 3, cylinder 1 right here. This is the cylinder 1 injector. I unplugged it and put a noise light on it, and I'm getting signal. And this is number 3. I did that as well. So the injectors are fine. I also did a compression test already. I just wanted to be sure. So I basically did a compression test on all 4 cylinders, and I'm getting 150 psi per cylinder, which is pretty good. If you get anything 120 and up, you're good. So I had 150 psi across the 4 cylinders. So I know it's not a mechanical problem. I know it's not a fuel problem. So it has to be spark related. So I checked the spark plug as well. I took the spark plug out, checked it. It's not looking bad. I actually checked to see if I was getting spark. I did all the tests, and it looks like everything is pretty good. So I was asking myself, what could be the problem? Why do we still have 1 and 3 misfired? So I followed the wires just to make sure everything is in a proper place. And this is what I discovered. So the engine has 4 cylinders, right? And it has to be timed right. And each cylinder is supposed to be hooked up to the right coil pack for it to work properly, for the timing to be correct. And so I decided to follow the coil pack and see the corresponding cylinder. And I realized that somebody put cylinder 1 wire, which is right here. This is cylinder 1. If you trace it, all the way to 3. Yes. So it's on 3. It's on 3 instead of 1. Right? And then the 1 is on 3 instead of 1. Okay, so right there, that's the problem right there. So basically, somebody swapped the wires, and that was what was causing all the misfire. They put cylinder 1 wire on 3 coil, and also the cylinder 3 wire, plug wire, which is this, on cylinder 1, which is over here. Okay, so it's very, very important that you check to make sure that your wires are properly installed at the right coil where it's supposed to be at. And most coils will have a number on the coil pack, so it will tell you what number on the coil pack that's supposed to relate to the cylinder number, right? So for instance, this coil pack, the first one is number 2, so we need to make sure that cylinder 2 goes on here. So this is cylinder 2 wire right here. We follow it. Okay, so that's cylinder 2, so that's in a good spot. The second one is cylinder 3. All right, this is 3. It goes all the way. So this is where the problem is. So now we have to put cylinder 3 right. You have to put, this is 1, this is cylinder 1 right here. Follow it. 1 will have to go over here where the 1 spot goes. And then cylinder 3 right here will have to go where cylinder 3 goes. Okay. And once I did that, everything is running great. So people, that's what we have going on today. Make sure you put the right wire on the right coil for you to get the right timing and right spark. All right, don't forget to subscribe and also share this video. Thanks. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.